They say when you laugh, the world laughs with you. Yet when you cry alone. The brightest star doesn't shine so brightly amidst the clouds of a heavy storm. Your smile lights up my world, trying every rainy day. But without you in my life, the rain just won't go away. I need to have you here. I need to have you near. I can't stop the rain that keeps falling in my world. I can't stop the rain. My whole world's dissolving away. Yearning strong like love forbidden. These feelings bring the saddest song. When passion's real, ain't life worth living. You give me reason to belong. I can't believe you rule my world. You hung the sun, the stars, and the moon. Just a whisper of your voice can stop this rainy afternoon. Only you can stop this rain. My whole world's been washed away 'cause I need you. Oh, I'm drowning, can't you see? Won't you come on back to me? Because I'm needing you, wanting you. I want to stop the rain that keeps falling and falling and falling and falling. Oh, empty smiles on the outside, numbing pain on the inside. Noel Friedline, y'all. Come on, Eric. keeps falling. I can't stop the rain, my world dissolving. No sunny day since you went away. Oh, I can't stop the rain, it just keeps falling, 'cause I'm missing you. I can't stop the rain, my world's dissolving. I can't stop the rain, it just keeps falling.